G'day there, welcome to this Mrs. Markston Reviews and Tutorials video. My wife is quite the cyclist, many hours a week on the bike, and she's got some really good information to pass on to you here today about hood and hood positioning.
So what's a hood? What you are looking at right now is a hood on a bike. It's basically this section here encompasses the brakes, the levers, the handlebar and the stem. This is a really important section of the bike and of bike riding. Of course, you're incredibly dependent upon your brakes for safety, but there is a lot of things that you need to do here to set up the hood so that it fits you and fits your cycling best. When I first bought this bike, addressing the hood height, so on the stem here, was a absolute key part of setting the bike for my own preference and efficiency, and then also setting the angle of the handlebars. So you'll notice around here, if I take this off, you have degrees that are mounted on the handlebar. I set my handlebar at a certain degree which is tilted inwards and towards my body. I did that for two reasons. Number one, the reach when you're cycling is really important. If your arms are straight in the reach, you will get elbow injuries, shoulder injuries, and you will lose efficiency in your power. By turning the handlebars inward, it means they're a little bit closer, and that looks after those joints. Secondly, having it inwards also means that I can get down into a crouched aerodynamic position better, which is vital, particularly when you're going up and down hills. Just makes it a lot more comfortable. So with the hood area, it's really important that you look at the stem height, you look at what your handlebars are doing. Perhaps you've got long arms and your torso's right, but your arms are long. So you would then tilt the handlebars outward so you've got more reach. If your arms are shorter or you feel more comfortable, it's a better riding position, then you bring it either level or tilt the handlebars inward. But this is the hood on a bike, fundamental, very important to your comfort, to your safety, and also to looking after injuries on your bike.
Okay, so thanks for that. Now, also with the rider position, the seat and seat height is going to come into it as well. So we'll do a separate video about seat and seat height, why that matters and how to measure. But how about the hood? How does the seat height affect the hood?
Well, you set your seat height according to your leg length. In terms of the seat height, it doesn't. The only impact that it will give to your hood is the weight that comes forward on your body. So therefore, the weight that then sits on your elbow, sits on your shoulder. So the setting up of your hood then becomes very important. If your seat height is higher, therefore your body weight is further forward and sitting a lot more on your shoulders, your hands and your elbows.
Okay, thank you, that's very informative.